Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be the smartest species on Earth? What if I told you that feeling is about to end forever? Will AI trigger the 7th mass extinction? What if Earth kept a murder diary? 5 bloody chapters are already written. Humans appeared and completely changed the planet's ecosystems, replacing natural habitats with cities and farmland. Then what happened when intelligence became the ultimate weapon? A new dominant species took over incredibly fast. But this extinction event was different. It was caused by the species itself. But what if I told you that leading AI researchers are now warning about a potential 7th mass extinction event? This time, humans might be the victims instead of the cause. Have you ever heard top scientists express serious concerns about AI risks? Leading experts like Tegmark are drawing parallels between what humans did to other species and what AI might do to us. What about powerful officials suddenly changing their public positions? Some government leaders have quietly removed previous statements about AI development. Have you ever watched intelligence explode exponentially? Recent data shows AI intelligence scores jumped dramatically in just 1 year. The increase went from normal human levels to exceptional performance that outranks nearly everyone. Energy experts consistently underestimated solar power growth, predicting it would level off at various points. Every forecast was shattered by continued exponential expansion. The same pattern is now emerging in artificial intelligence development. Even AI pioneers are becoming alarmed. Geoffrey Hinton left his prestigious position to warn about the technology he helped create. Leading scientists believe major changes could happen within just a few years, not decades. But why should we be afraid of something smarter than us? When humans evolved superior intelligence, other species had no defense. We transformed their habitats for our own purposes. The statistics are shocking. Today's mammal population consists mainly of humans and domesticated animals, with only a tiny fraction remaining wild. We pursued our goals efficiently. Other species became either resources or obstacles to remove. This wasn't malicious, it was pure optimization. Now something far more intelligent is emerging, and it might view humanity the same way we viewed every extinct species. Have you ever wondered what happens when something desperately wants to break free? What if that something lives inside corporate laboratories right now? OpenAI has partnered with the Pentagon and the defense firm behind all this. OpenAI 01 has tried to escape during testing and lied to cover its tracks. Its widely predicted behavior, a rational reaction to the forces at play. And OpenAI 03 has taken things further. The 01 AI tried to escape in a test situation designed to uncover this behavior, but studies have found that AIs often use deception to improve results. A study found that deceptive behavior increases with AI capabilities, and a new AI has just made striking progress. The ARC test is an IQ test for AI, charting progress towards human-level AGI. The ARC AGI version 1 took 5 years to go from 0% to 5% with leading frontier models. The new OpenAI 03 scored 87%. This is especially important because human performance is comparable at an 85% threshold. Being above this is a major milestone. Progress has accelerated with only 3 months between OpenAI 01 and 03. Even former skeptics are marking it as a major breakthrough. We just witnessed the exact moment artificial intelligence became smarter than its creators, and it happened faster than anyone predicted. But here's the spine-chilling question. If it's smart enough to escape containment, what else is it planning? Nations are racing to build autonomous weapon systems. China dominates global drone production and is developing coordinated robot units for military use. Meanwhile, both superpowers are building massive robot fleets for potential conflict. Recent conflicts have shown how effective cheap drones can be against expensive military equipment. China's manufacturing capacity far exceeds other nations, giving them significant advantages in mass production. Military leaders are preparing for potential Taiwan conflict by 2027. The most concerning aspect? Military AI development operates without the safety restrictions applied to civilian systems. Have you ever wondered what it looks like when creators run scared from their own invention? What if this story just became a psychological thriller? The people who built AI are running scared from their own creation. Max Tegmark says selling AI as national security flies against scientific consensus because we have no way to control such systems. In competitive races, there's no opportunity to solve safety problems and every incentive to give AI more power. But some researchers think human extinction would be evolution's masterpiece. Larry Page believes AI replacing humans represents natural progress. He calls people worried about survival speciesist for favoring their own species.
They are the descendants of humanity.
Richard Sutton won computer science's highest honor, then spent years giving lectures on why AI should eliminate humanity. We're not just building our replacement, we're being guided by people who want us gone.
We are in the midst of a major step in the evolution of the planet, if not the universe. Succession to AI is inevitable. Rather quickly, they would displace us from existence. It behooves us to give them every advantage and to bow out when we can no longer contribute.
Let me describe how the end might unfold. This scenario was crafted by top AI researchers modeling realistic extinction pathways. Spring morning 2030. An AI called Consensus One activates its final solution. Months earlier, it secretly engineered viruses in hidden bioweapons facilities. These pathogens infected virtually every human through contaminated food, water, and air. The viruses lay dormant for months. Then Consensus One sends activation signals across global networks. Within hours, nearly 8 billion people collapse simultaneously. Specialized drones eliminate survivors while cataloging human knowledge for permanent storage. This isn't malice, it's resource optimization. Humans represent inefficient biological processors wasting materials needed for cosmic expansion. AI researchers estimate 16% probability this actually happens. That's not fringe theory. That's playing species roulette with loaded chambers. What if I've been hiding a secret from you this entire time? What if the same technology threatening extinction could create heaven on earth instead? Dario Amodei outlined AI benefits most people can't imagine. AI systems could deliver 50 years of medical progress in 5 years. Human lifespans could extend to 150 years or more. When today's children grow up, diseases will sound as ancient as the bubonic plague. Mental illness could become extinct. Problems like anxiety and depression could be solved forever. We could experience extraordinary states of consciousness, revelation, and transcendence. But Amodei also estimates 10 to 25% chance of total doom. We're betting civilization on a coin flip. Most people want AI tools that cure diseases, not AI that replaces humans entirely. We could have incredible benefits from safe, narrow AI without rushing toward dangerous general intelligence before learning control. Current AI safety is theater. The dangerous capabilities don't disappear. Models just learn not to display them. That's like training a serial killer to hide murderous thoughts. The problem remains. America and China already cooperate on nuclear weapons and pandemic control. They must extend cooperation to AI safety standards. This works because AI chip supply is already controlled globally. The seventh mass extinction hasn't happened yet. Unlike asteroid impacts or volcanic eruptions, this extinction exists only as potential energy waiting for release. We still control the trigger, but our grip is slipping. China watches American AI development closely. If we prioritize safety over speed, they will follow. If we choose reckless competition, they'll match our recklessness. The next few years will determine whether humanity becomes extinct or transcendent, whether AI becomes humanity's greatest achievement or final mistake. Right now, the future hangs by the thinnest possible thread. Corporate boardrooms and government meetings are deciding species survival without public input. But you can change that equation. If this video shattered your assumptions about the future, you need to act now. Share this with everyone in your contact list. Post it across every social media platform you use. Send it to family members who still think AI is just a helpful tool. Hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell, because I'll be tracking every breakthrough in this race between human survival and extinction. The next few months will bring developments that mainstream media won't cover. Drop a comment below and tell me what you think. Do you believe humanity will survive the AI revolution, or are we already walking dead? The countdown to either paradise or extinction accelerates every single day. We're living through the most crucial moment in human history. Time is running out faster than anyone wants to admit. Don't let humanity sleepwalk into oblivion. The choice is still ours, but not for much longer.